Does your iPhone battery seem to drain way too fast even when you're barely using it? Well, it might not be your battery's fault. In this video, I'll show you 5 common reasons your iPhone battery dies quickly and what you can do to fix each one. Let's go. All right, let's start with the biggest myth: force closing apps. A lot of people believe that swiping up on all their apps saves battery, but it is actually the opposite. When you force close an app, your iPhone has to reload it completely from scratch next time you open it, which uses more power than just resuming it from memory. So instead of constantly closing your apps, just leave them in the background. iOS manages them automatically. Next up, background app refresh. This allows apps to update their content even when you're not using them, like fetching emails or updating feeds. While it's useful for apps like Messages or Weather, most other apps do not need it. So head to the settings, general, background app refresh, and turn it off for apps you rarely open. This reduces background activity and saves a lot of battery. Number 3, location services. Many apps constantly track your location even when you're not using them, which drains your battery fast. Go to the settings, privacy, and location services, then review the list. Turn it off for apps that do not need your location, or set them to while using instead of always. Apps like Maps or Camera can keep it on, but others like games or social media don't really need it. Fourth, turn on dark mode. Dark mode can actually save power because black pixels use no light on LED screens. Turn it on, go to the settings, display and brightness, dark mode, or just swipe down to control center and toggle it quickly. It not only looks great, it helps your battery too. And finally, auto brightness. Keeping your screen brightness high all the time is one of the fastest ways to kill your battery. So go to the settings, accessibility, display and text size, scroll down and make sure auto brightness is turned on. This allows your iPhone to adjust brightness based on your environment, saving energy when you do not need full brightness. So let's quickly recap. Don't force stop apps. Turn off background app refresh for unneeded apps. Manage location services wisely. Use dark mode and turn on auto brightness. Fix these 5 and your iPhone battery will last noticeably longer throughout the day. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks, and let me know in the comments which of these settings you changed first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.